In this video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Facebook login error. If you're not being able to log into your Facebook account, the first thing that you can immediately try out is try to reset your password. On the login page, you'll be able to see the option called the forgot password option. So you can just quickly head over to this section and then just add in the phone number that you have linked with your Facebook account, or you can also continue or search by email address, where you'll be able to type in the email address so that you can reset your password. Now, before you do that, you can also try out a few other things. If you know that you have added in the correct password, what you can also try out is try to clear the Facebook cache. So just tap and hold the app of Facebook, and then you can head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You just need to tap on the clear cache option. Once this step is complete, you can head back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the other thing that you'll also need to make sure is that you are not currently connected to any VPNs. If you are, make sure you disconnect. And lastly, you can also try to restart your phone by tapping and holding the power button on your phone and quickly restart it. If none of these solutions work out, as I said, you can try to reset your password and then create a new password of your account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.